If you're a new real estate investor, especially if you're located in South Florida, I've got a 3-day wholesaling real estate bootcamp event coming up from Friday, October 7th to Sunday, October 9th. At this event, I'm going to teach you how to find houses, how to wholesale, and how to flip those houses to other investors like me without putting up any of your own cash or credit. At this event, I'm going to teach you all of the websites that you need to find properties, including Fannie Mae homes, Freddie Mac homes, HUD homes, foreclosures, short sales, and bank-owned homes. And I'm going to show you how you can take those properties using my proof of funds letter and my cash and flip those properties to other investors and get paid a fee without putting up any of your own cash or credit. All right, so this event is Friday, October 7th to Sunday, October 9th. If you want to be there, go ahead and click on the link below or visit my website at www.lexlevinrad.com or call our office at 561-948-2127. If you're new to real estate and you want to learn how to get started, this is the event to be at. Once again, Friday, October 7th to Sunday, October 9th, Wholesaling Real Estate Bootcamp. I hope to see you there.